ChatGPT wants to come out with its own social media, and it's already happening. If you look at applications like Sora, where it's ChatGPT's curated image and video generation space, people can already like and leave feedback to the kind of things that you're generating, which is great. Now they want to extend this to text generations, things that you're already trying to make public with ChatGPT, and they're prototyping the idea. Why do they want to do this? Well, ChatGPT wants to get billions of real-time data. They want to see what people like and what they don't like, so they want to have access to that data. But people don't really feel this way. Some people believe that X and Instagram and Facebook and all these other platforms are a good way to share user-generated content. So what do you think? Do you think social media is a good step for OpenAI? Should they just limit it to what it is currently? I'm curious to hear your take about this.